Okay, so this Sunday morning that we did hashtag cooking with the Cubs, and Pay wanted to make breakfast that she makes for her boyfriend, and it is liver mush and eggs. Liver mush is not something that I grew up with, and I have discovered in the South, and Pay has only had it a few times that I know of, but her boyfriend grew up with it and loves it, and so this is how she makes it. She uses a cast iron skillet. She puts down some butter. She slices the liver mush a bit too thin, and you'll see why I say that in a minute. Because if it's too thin and as you're cooking it, it'll crumble. So in my opinion, she cut it a little too thin. But she just puts it down on the griddle and on a medium heat there, and you know, she flips them, and I don't know if you can tell the golden brown, the darker brown. That's how she knows they're done. He likes them really crispy, so she's going for that doneness, and she's just flipping it over. And here they're done to her likeness. She's pulling them off. She's got another batch she's going to put on. And then I missed it, but off camera she whisked up about 6 eggs in the little Pyrex there. And she's poured them on. About this point where she keeps messing with the eggs, I keep thinking, man, you've watched too much Gordon Ramsay. She keeps moving the eggs around to make more room and to dump more on. So just fooling, Pay. You're doing a great job. Okay, so she's pouring more on, so she may have had more than 6. She may have had 8 or a dozen, I don't know. I really didn't pay attention. And there she's flipping, and yes, you saw that, she lost one. Here she's picking it up, and then she's gonna run in front of the camera, give it to the dogs, and come back and start scraping. She really did not like her sister stirring her eggs. Now, of course, the magical time to add cheese. She's adding the 5 blend Italian cheese into that. And in case you're wondering, the boyfriend already had his plate of straight liver mush, and now she's plating this up for the video and for us to share. Now it's time to plate. Thank you all for watching. Y'all have a great week. And remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? And did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Have a great week.